Yes, Sonia.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sonia. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Have a
Yes.
seat. Thank you.
So, Sonia, what you have done today?
Sir, I have prepared for my interview.
Okay. So, what do you think? What extraordinary you have done which other candidates are not doing?
Sir, I have very confident and positive minded, and all other candidates are very confusing and nervous.
Okay. So, you are not nervous?
No, sir.
That's great. Then just brief about yourself.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I am Sonia Yadav. I am from Abohar, Punjab, freshly minted cost and management accountant in my first attempt. I have done my graduation from Punjab University, Chandigarh. I have done my articleship from HK Parikh and Association for 6 months, where I am exposed with the domain of accounting work, taxation work, indirect taxation work like GST return filing, income tax return filing, e-way bill generation, GST registration and many more. I love to watching movies and learning about new skills in my free time. I have also basic knowledge about Excel. It's all about me. Thank you for patient listening.
Sonia, just tell me, what is the difference between concept and convention?
So concept is basically the tell about the cost concept, tell about the how we recorded the cost, and convention is a technique which know about the cost recording.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
And what is prudence concept?
Prudence concept says that every losses and provision are made for today, and if any income, then recognize in after when they are incurred.
Any other name for prudence concept?
Conservatism concept.
Okay, good.
Your strength and weaknesses and how you overcome the weakness.
My strength is I am a flexible and versatile person because I can adapt the changes easily, and I think changes is good for life. And my weakness is I think multitasking too much is my weakness. This problem is faced in my internship that I take 2 or 3 work together at same time, which ruined my productivity of work. But now I am overcoming this. I will make sure to make pointers every day and divide the work according to their priority basis and go through with one by one.
Okay, Sonia, you have done accounting entries as well. So suppose from our company, 50,000 rupees has been stolen from drawer of the company. What will be the journal entry for that?
Goods stolen account debit.
Cash has been stolen. 50,000 rupees from drawer.
Cash has been stolen. Sorry, sir, I didn't.
Okay. So you have generated e-way bills
Yes, sir.
as well. So what is the validity of e-way bill under different cases?
Sir, e-way bill valid for one time we create the e-way bill. It is valid for one time only. Next time we transport our goods, then we
What is the
generate
validity for kilometers and all?
20 kilometers.
20 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Is the we cannot go beyond that.
No, sir, we can go beyond that, but 200 kilometers.
For 200 kilometers is for what?
Sir, it's for
200. You are saying validity is 200.
long-term way.
Long term. Suppose I need to go 1000 kilometer, then what I need to do? I need to prepare 5 e-way bills.
No, sir, e-way bill is one.
Okay, then validity will be
One time only.
one time, days wise.
Sir, it is valid for one.
Within how many days I need to reach 1000 kilometers?
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sonia, what is the difference between NPV and IRR method?
Sir, NPV is helpful for selecting the project, and IRR is not the method for selecting the project. It is a rate of return which tells about how investor recover its initial outlay.
Okay. What is the process of GST registration?
Sir, GST registration, when firstly we go to the GST portal, and documents necessary like Aadhaar card, PAN card, mobile number, and personal details of the client, and then we write down email and mobile number, then create the TRN number, then we proceed for the next.
What is the difference between TRN number and ARN number?
Sir, ARN number is acknowledgement number. In GST REG 02, we receive the ARN number, and TRN number is sorry sir, I didn't recall. But
Okay.
Sonia, you have mentioned that you have positive attitude.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you give some examples of that in your
yes,
life?
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is in my internship. Sir gave us the many projects. Every people has confusing what to do, what to not to do, but I have very clear about that, and I have take positive things which helps me to do a better solution.
Sonia,
Yes, sir.
if the PV ratio is 40%,
Yes, sir.
then what is the variable cost ratio?
60%.
Okay. And what is the relation between sales and contribution?
Sales is like 100, and variable cost is 60, then contribution is 40. It is the ratio of contribution and sale. PV ratio is.
What is the relation between sales and contribution? What is we say?
If sale is increasing, then variable cost is decreasing. Inverse relationship.
I'm asking what do you mean and what is the relation between sales and contribution?
Sales and contribution. Positive relation.
Okay.
How long you stay in the organization?
I will stay in the organization till that I receive the growth opportunities from the organization, and positive response from the organization, and see longer vision in the organization.
Okay. So you are having any plans for self-employment in future?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
You are flexible with the timings and
Yes,
location?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can adapt the changes with flexible with time and location both.
Okay. And how you can value to the organization with your abilities, academics?
I can value added to the organization with my articleship experience, with my efficiency, and with my ability to do work on time.
Okay. You have mentioned that you have a cheerful personality. How?
Because in every situation I think positive. That's make me smile.
Okay, fine.
So, Sonia, let us come towards the GST because you have worked in GST as
Yes,
well.
sir.
So, what is the time limit to take input tax credit?
180 days.
180 days. Suppose a person has taken input tax credit within 180 days, not taken within 180 days due to invoice issue and all, and 180 days has been elapsed and invoice not yet received by the buyer as well. So, what are the consequences in that situation?
Its tax amount is added with our output tax liability.
Any interest?
Interest 18% interest rate is also applicable.
Okay.
Sonia, you mentioned in the interest section learning a new skill. So tell us about one new skill those add on in your personality recently.
Detail oriented.
Okay.
I'm
Detail
detail
oriented.
oriented person.
Detail
Means
oriented.
I'm not focused only on deliver the work. Its result is also very important. How much we time take for the project.
Okay.
So Sonia, suppose our company is producing 3 products, but we are in confusion that as we have limited machine hours and labors as well. So we are confused that which product to produce and which not to produce. So how will you take decision in that situation?
I will take decision by applying marginal costing technique.
Okay. How will you apply?
I will calculate the cost of labor, cost of material and overheads, and then decide where cost is minimum. I can select those projects.
Under marginal costing, it is being calculated? Cost of labor, material and all. So you will take decision on the basis of their cost only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then tell me, what is material mix variance?
Material mix variance is the difference between revised standard quantity and actual quantity into standard rate.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Sonia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Let us start with the feedback. So start करते हैं आपके अबाउट योर सेल्फ से. इट वॉज एक्सीलेंट. काफ़ी अच्छा आपने एक्सप्लेन किया अबाउट योर सेल्फ. आई थिंक अभी तक का सबसे बेटर मुझे लगा, क्योंकि आप सभी के साथ में आई कांटेक्ट भी उस टाइम पर मेंटेन कर रहे थे. सो इट वाज वेरी गुड पार्ट. बट टेक्निकल में कहीं ना कहीं यू वर लैकिंग. एज यू नो, ई-वे बिल का आप आंसर सही से नहीं दे पाए. आपको 200 किलोमीटर्स पर डे था वो.
पर डे.
तो 1000 किलोमीटर्स के लिए 5 डेज आपको मिल जाएंगे. ओवर डायमेंशनल कार्गो में यही 20 किलोमीटर्स पर डे की लिमिट हो जाती है. तो आपको किलोमीटर्स पता था, पर ये नहीं पता था ये किसके हैं.
मैं थोड़ा डीप में एक बार
तो
स्टडी.
TRN ARN में आप TRN को नहीं बता पाए सही से. ठीक है. बाकी मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग में डिसीजन कैसे लेंगे, ये भी आपका आंसर गलत था. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन हम डिसीजन लेते हैं. जैसे लेबर आवर्स लिमिटेड है तो कंट्रीब्यूशन पर लेबर आवर देखते हैं. तो
वो सर एकदम से ना माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है कि क्या बोलूं.
कंट्रीब्यूशन सेल्स का रिलेशन था और एक कैश स्टोलन की एंट्री. ठीक है. तो कुछ एंट्रीज को देके और ई-वे बिल की एविबिलिटी सर ने बताई दिया. कॉन्सेप्ट एंड कन्वेंशन में भी थोड़ा और. ठीक है. बस टेक्निकल मुझे अदरवाइज कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल और जो आपकी पॉजिटिविटी आपके फेस पे भी दिख रही थी. तो वो चीज़ जो आप पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड बता रहे हो वो आपका दिख रहा है फेस पे. ठीक है. इंट्रोडक्शन एंड ऑल सब. और आई कांटेक्ट सबसे ही करना है आपको. बीच बीच में आप भूल रहे थे ना. तो यू हैव टू कांटेक्ट विद एवरीवन.
सोनिया, जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा था व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द सेल्स एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. इट्स अ पीवी रेशियो. Just like gross profit, relation between sales and GP.
Yes, sir.
And the PV ratio is the relation between the. So yes, technical ही word, बाकी all aspects good. थोड़ा सा technical आप.
बाकी तो सब बता दिया. सुनिए, मैंने आपसे एक सवाल, एक छोटा सा लर्निंग अ न्यू स्किल का पूछा था ना. डिटेल ओरिएंटेड को थोड़ा सा और अच्छा कर सकते हो आप, है ना. कुछ ऐसी स्किल आप सोचो जो आपने अभी लर्न करी है जिसको आप बेटर एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, है ना. सीवी के अंदर जो जो चीज़ें अदर मेंशन्ड है ना, उनमें भी कुछ चीज़ें आपको देखनी है, कुछ देखना है आपको.
सो लर्निंग ए न्यू स्किल में आप डिटेल ओरिएंटेड बोल रहे हो, तो आपका पर्सनैलिटी एट्रीब्यूट हुआ. आप सीख क्या रहे हैं. नई स्किल मीन्स आप एक्सेल सीख रहे हैं, आप टैली सीख रहे हैं,
या फिर डेली कुछ भी नई चीज
हाँ,
मुझे सीखने को मिलती है, तो मतलब पसंद करना.
ये तो आप एज ए पर्सन पर्सनैलिटी चेंज ला रहे हैं. तो ठीक है. ओके. थैंक यू वेरी मच सोनिया. ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट.
माइम एक्टिविटी क्या लिखा है आपने?
मैम माइम जैसे कोई एक्ट करता है, नॉन वर्बल एक्ट
अच्छा,
होता
माइम ही है
है
ना?
हाँ,
ठीक
माइम
है.
ही उसका
और
माइम
ये
है.
थोड़ा